Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to download Facebook videos without using any application. So if you're looking out how to do so today, we are gonna guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So for that, you can open up Facebook and you may head over to a specific video. Usually your own video can be downloaded without any application. So for that, you can go to your profile and tap on it. And then once you tap on your profile, you can scroll down and find a specific video, or go to the reel section and tap on it and find the video that you've created. So go over and tap on it. For example, this is the video. And once you find it up, you can look out for the share option and tap on it. And look out for the download option here. Just go over and look out for it. Or if not that, you can look out for this option called three dot and tap on it. And select this option of download reel. And just go over and confirm it up, and the video will be saved to your device's gallery. This is one of the methods available. You can follow up the process to download all of the videos available on your account. Apart from that, you can try doing that same on your Facebook's video of other people's. So look out for the video. And once you find the video, look out for the three dot and tap on it. And if the option is available for downloading the video, you can download it from here. Or if you really want to download the video, even if the download option is not available without using any kind of application, the method is screen recording. You can download a good screen recorder with good reviews and just go over and hover over to the video and record that certain video that you're trying to record. And that is how you save it. So that's it, everybody. If you want to download Facebook videos, and that's it, everybody. That's how you download Facebook videos without using any kind of third-party applications. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.